quick. We're in small town, Monon, Indiana, at Casey's. We just got some fuel. And I wanted to show you something. So pump price over here is $5.14 a gallon. With my fuel card, it was $3.50 a gallon. It's pretty legit. So we filled up for 91 gallons at $470 pump price. But we do that's $318 my price, which is a savings of $152. That's pretty good. And real quick, my mileage for that, we went 841 miles for 91 gallons. We got 9.2 miles to the gallon. So not bad. Good morning. We are in Memphis, Tennessee, West Memphis actually. Still over in Arkansas at Flying J. Today's Sunday. We're actually just gonna drive right over to the Blue Beacon right behind me. Finally get a truck wash. This truck is absolutely filthy. Weather's supposed to be dry for the next couple days on our way down to Florida. I had also mentioned earlier, or in the last video I think, that I'm going to Little Rock to pick up my load. No, it's Corinth, Mississippi. I don't know why I said Little Rock, but it's Corinth, Mississippi. Pick up our cat engine and take it down to Miami. So that's gonna be fun. Hopefully we'll find ourselves something to do. Oh, almost just screwed that up. We gotta go under personal conveyance here, or else I will screw up my 34-hour reset. So let's do that real quick. Almost basically I do a 34 every weekend, and that resets my hours on my clock. So basically we obviously get 14 hours to work, 11 hours to drive. That counts to your overall 70-hour clock. If you don't do a reset, that like right now, let's see here. So right now I have 15 hours left on my 70-hour clock, and that lasts for 8 total days. So that will not actually start to recap hours from previous days until I think Tuesday. So that's not ideal. So that's why we're doing the 34. And to go under personal conveyance means I can move without tripping my drive clock or just my working clock overall. We're gonna go off-duty personal conveyance, driving to truck wash. Save. Alright, personal conveyance enabled. We're good to roll. Brakes were a little stuck there. Pothole City out here. How's it going, bud? So, gonna do a regular wash, go ahead and do an engine wash, and that's pretty much it. Nah. Alright, there we go. Nice and clean again. was almost embarrassing how bad it was before. Biggest thing was the exhaust. So they missed a spot back there. They always miss something. But it's better than the brown sandy mess it was before. So anyways, that's that. I wanted to give you a short video today. Nothing special with it. We're gonna get out of here early in the morning tomorrow, deliver, and then make our way down to Corinth. So until then, I hope you guys have a good weekend. I'll talk to you later.